Hey, what's up guys, Lightning14 here, soaring back into everyday life with another video. And in this video I'm proud to be finally showing off my completed heavy Nerf War loadout, or HvZ loadout, depending on which you would prefer. So let's get right into it. Alright, so starting off with my primary here, this is a modified Nerf Rampage. It has an Orange ModWorks catch, as well as an Orange ModWorks catch spring. Trigger. No, there's no Orange ModWorks catch. And it has two stock springs instead of the Orange ModWorks spring. And it also has the long shot scope for aesthetics, the zip-tied Schedule 80 PVC pipe blowgun, tactical flashlight, dual integrated shotguns. These shoot seven darts each. And these are actually party poppers that I purchased at Party City, and they are supposed to shoot confetti, but you can modify them to shoot Nerf darts. On the other side here, we have a 4-dart ammo holder right there. That's also for the blowgun. And yeah, and starting off with, I would be running it with a 35 round drum. So let's do a firing demo now. Alright, so starting out with the Rampage. Alright, so we're all out in that. Moving on to the blowgun. And finally, the shotguns. The range is not the greatest, but it's a shotgun, so whatever. That one was pathetic. I added a second spring in there, but I think it might not be getting the compression it needs, or somehow negatively impacting it. So I think it was firing better before, but oh well. And then finally we have the tactical flashlight. And yeah, so let's move on to the tactical vest. Alright, so this is the tactical vest that I am wearing. It is a cardboard and duct tape tactical vest that I've spray painted black. It also has my own version of molly webbing on it, and is currently set up to hold 8 18-round magazines, as well as these 4 Sledgefire shells for the Sledgefires on my back. But yeah, it's held together with duct tape and fastened on with a belt here. Not sure how well that's showing up, but yeah, there are loops on the tactical vest on the inside that the belt goes through, and the straps here are duct tape, and it has strips of cardboard going across for molly webbing that are also held together with duct tape. And yeah, moving on to the Sledgefire holsters. This is a dual Sledgefire holster that I made out of duct tape and cardboard again, and spray painted it black. It holds my 2 Sledgefires that I have. So we'll do a quick firing demo of the Sledgefires. Alright, here we go. And drawing the other one. So yeah. So that's it for the rest of the tactical gear. On the vest, let's move on to some other things that I have. On here, on my belt, we have a small pouch that actually originally held binoculars, but I have filled it with rifle rounds and added a belt strap, so holds rifle rounds. Then moving on down here, we have my Slingshot Holster, which I already have a video on, but yeah, holds the Slingshot, which is my I guess my second long range option after the blowgun. So we'll do a quick firing demo of the Slingshot now. So firing standard Nerf rifle ammunition. It has some serious power. I don't think I'd shoot this at anyone who's younger, and definitely have to be wearing eye protection. This has some serious pop to it. We'll fire off another one. And the thing about slingshots is you have to actually know how to use them, because it's not like a gun. You don't just point and shoot it. You have to actually have some skill. And I would say I'm pretty decent with the slingshot, so it's okay. All right. So yeah, that's all I have for tactical gear, except for this, which is, I also have a video on. This is a dart holder for the blowgun. It's currently holding elite darts because didn't want to get into my brand new package of AccuFakes. But basically what it is a say dart tag wrist strap thing. Here, let me move it so you can see it better, like so. And then it has duct tape loops covered with black construction paper for the darts. So in total I am carrying 2, 3, 4 blasters. Technically you could say like 7-ish if you include the 2 shotguns that are integrated into the Rampage and the blowgun. I have 228 total ammunition. 20 of that is rifle, and the rest is darts. And yeah, so I have multi-shot, multiple multi-shot options, rapid fire because of the slam fire from the Rampage, long range with the slingshot as well as the blowgun, and also close range with, I guess, the shotguns as well. So yeah, I think I've basically covered all of my needs for a Nerf war. Tell me in the comments section below what you think of this loadout. Would you run something similar? And thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, please subscribe. It would help me out a lot, and I'll see you all in the next one.